In this short video, I'm going to show you how to answer questions in your Data Science 100 homework. In both the worksheets and tutorials for Data Science 100, you're going to see code chunks that have your code here and a fail function to indicate that you should put your answer here. We put in the fail function so that if you accidentally try and run this cell without editing it, you get a very clear message that something has gone wrong and you need to do something about it. So what we want you to do is delete these 2 lines of code and add your answer to the question. In this case, it's creating an object named title, and we use the toLower function to change a string that we copied from the question all to lowercase. Now when we run this cell, we see that we get the expected answer, and we can check that our answer is correct by running the test cell below.